Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 15. In today's video, I know it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's going to be an Azariah update video, but it's not. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul for my large family of 15. My daughter took this. I ordered the groceries online. I have kind of a plan for the menu. So at the end of this video, make sure you stay tuned and I am going to give you the menu that is planned. We got additional items as well. But for the menu for next week is all planned out, and I will give that to you at the end of this video. But she is going to share with you what we got. I ordered it on, what is it called? Walmart delivery. Is that what it's called? So where we are now, we can actually get Walmart delivery, which is great, but you have to pay a tip and it's kind of far, so it's kind of expensive. I don't know, but it worked for this time. So I have to be really thoughtful about how often I order on there, because I'd like to just do a tip no more than twice a month. No more than twice a month. So I ordered those groceries. I spent, maybe I'll wait till the end to tell you how much I spent, and I still have money left for the budget for this month, so let's see.
Okay, so we are going to do a Walmart grocery haul. So, Rejoice, are you copying me? So we have I hear you. 8 of these chicken thighs, legs, drumsticks. Yes, I was trying to think of the name of them. So 8 of those, and we have a couple different frozen berries. This one is a cherry berry blend, and then we have a Mexican fruit, pineapple chunks. These will be to go on yogurt. Then we have broccoli, which are great when you have potatoes and stuff. Then we got several different ice creams. I think she said that they were on sale, and so she got a bunch of those. And we have a birthday coming up, so ice cream for that as well. We got 4 cheese sticks, and I think 4 each of the Fiaste blend, and then the Colby Jack. So we have, oh wait, no, it's 5 of each. Cheese? Yes, it is cheese. And then we have sliced Colby Jack, sliced provolone, sliced pepper jack, and another sliced provolone. And then this is little cups of yogurt. It is for Sweet Pea, who has type 1 diabetes, when other kids have oatmeal, because that makes her spike. Anywho, then we have eggs. I forget. 60 eggs are in a box, so we have a whole box of eggs. Yes, I showed the cheese. 2 things of half and half just for coffee and teas. Yes. We have 2 things of sour cream, 2 of these salad mixes, which is just like lettuce and carrots and stuff. And then I think they had to substitute one of them because this is just the lettuce. And then these like have carrots and whatever. Then we have more salad mix. 4 of these little ones. And how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 5-pound bags of potatoes. And you do like cheese. That's nice. And 4 bags of the sweet potatoes. And we have tacos on the menu, so we got 8 of the 18 shells tacos. And then for the kids with diabetes, they get the 0 carb wraps. And then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I can't count in my head. We have sweet peas, 12 of these. And then we have corn. And then a mix. We have this almond flour pumpkin muffin bread. 4 of those. And then 2 of the banana muffin bread. I haven't tried these yet. I think other members of the family have, but I haven't. And then almond flour pancake waffle mix. And nut butter stuffed stuff. Okay, and then we have cocoa mix, and then a 0 sugar one for kids with diabetes, and wild rice. This is 2 pounds. and then jasmine rice, 2 pounds, and then salt and keto granola, I believe. Yeah, keto friendly granola for her yogurts. And that is pretty much it, or that is it. But that is all that she got for this grocery haul. I'm trying to video the whole thing, but I can't because I'm not tall enough. I'm taking a video for Mommy. We got 4 boxes of the chocolate muffin cake mix.
So I also ordered rice, but the rice was actually delivered to the neighbor's door, which made no sense. So the main delivery got delivered by somebody that day, and then there was 2 other items that said they would be coming the next day. I don't know exactly how this works. So one of them was the case of the muffins that you guys just saw, those chocolate muffins, which we're going to use as cupcakes. And then the other thing was I had gotten some rice. Well, the picture of like where they delivered the rice was actually the neighbor's place, which is a it's like a facility, and it's not like somebody's house. So I was like, oh, run over and grab that. Well, I went to run over and grab that, and there was a dog. Like, for this whole month, we've never seen anyone over there, and which we thought was really weird because it's like in business. And so I was like, run over there, and there was a dog like at the door. So I tried to go around to the other side and knock on the door. The thing wasn't there, literally like 15 minutes after it got delivered. So I tried to knock on the other door to ask, and there was nobody there, no cars there. The dog was just outside. So I chatted with the people on the app for Walmart delivery, and they refund our money. Now, next day, I'm thinking to myself, oh no, I got the kids all matching shirts for when we go home, which is so exciting. And one of the shirts was missing, so I got that to get sent. And so that got sent, and it said it was delivered. So I'm assuming it got delivered to that house. Which is very frustrating because honestly, the house is not even on the road, because the way that our house is on the main road. We're on like a kind of corner lot. Our house is on the main road, and we're talking about the other house. You actually have to drive down the side road to deliver it. It's not even on the main road. So I don't understand. And we have a mailbox literally like at our front, like at the sidewalk to go to our front door. We put like a nice clear mailbox. And the shirts that I'm talking about, the first delivery of shirts got mailed all the way back to where they were sent from. And then I talked to the post office. They said, no, we just need to make sure that your name was in the thing, whatever. And they delivered it to whatever. I don't know how to solve this problem, because this is going to be a pain it got delivered the 31st. So they just decided to keep like Sister Bear shirt or whatever next door. I don't know. Like, you would think that they'd be like, oh, hey, I mean, keep rice, but not like a child-sized shirt. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they returned it to sender. Like, we're new there. I don't really know. But never see people there. So it's not like we can stop and ask. My husband is going to try to ask tomorrow and or call the facility and see. So that's what's going to happen. I ordered another one. It doesn't even match, but it says Sister Bear. Anyway, so let me tell you what we're going to do for meals. The grand total of this grocery haul was $502. So yeah, our grocery budget for our family of 15 is $100 per person per month. Which you're gonna say well, the baby doesn't use $100 worth of food, but he does have formula that we get mixed in, and it's like $30 a can or something like that. So yeah. Anyhow, that's considered whatever. I have, for the month of April, I have bought him a can. I have to see. I think it's $33 for that, which would make us up to $5.50 for the month for groceries. And so with 15 of us, our total would be $1,500. So doing okay. Doing okay. Hope you all have actually, no, I can't tell you to hope you have a blessed and wonderful day because I didn't even give you my menu yet now, did I? I'm gonna have to lay him down. I think he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Let's go get the menu. Okay, guys, so here are what we are eating for the week, or what they're eating for the week. Okay, so for breakfast, we have baked oatmeal on both Monday and Tuesday. Sweet pea, so it's really interesting how things affect people differently with diabetes. So my daughter who's 16, the baked oatmeal, she can give herself the insulin for it and has no issues. Sweet pea like spikes like through the roof. So she will have those little keto yogurt cups. That's what we were talking about when she was doing the haul. And then Wednesday is going to be egg, cheese, and sausage. Thursday is going to be yogurt and berries. And then granola. They're going to make some granola up. And then there's the keto granola for the people who have diabetes. Then Friday is going to be scrambled eggs with toast. Then both Saturday and Sunday is going to be pancakes and sausage. We have keto pancake mix for, no, that's incorrect. I have a recipe with almond flour. That's going to be the recipe that they're using for everyone. I just had those pancake mixes in there as like a backup if needed, if there was something that I have on my next set of meals and maybe she can't have it, but it would be something that she could have. Does that make sense? Anyway, that's not for now. I have a recipe for almond flour pancakes, and that's what we're going to use there. So then lunches, we are going to have quiche with fruit, and then pickled eggs, because we have a lot of pickled eggs. Remember all those lovely pickled eggs that my daughter did? So pickled eggs with salad. Had a bunch of salad mixes. You guys saw those. Wednesday is going to be a packed lunch with tuna, chicken salad, peanut butter, something like that. That can be on bread, and or we have some rice cakes already, and so that could be there. Thursday will be leftovers from supper, not leftovers from lunches. Friday is going to be beef stew, and then Saturday is going to be homemade pizza with applesauce. We'll do a gluten-free crust on that, and or the kids who are low carb will have their tortillas with sauce and cheese on that. And then if we had like sausage or anything like that, then we could do that. Okay, so for suppers is going to be leftovers, tacos, tater tot casserole, and with the tacos we would probably have the salads as well. Tater tot casserole, that could also have a salad as well, and or like carrot sticks or something like that on the side we'd do, or applesauce. We have some canned applesauce. Thursday is going to be pork chunks with barbecue sauce. We have some of that. I believe we still have some of that peach barbecue sauce. So we're going to do the barbecue sauce with baked potato with broccoli. So Friday will be drumsticks, and they will have coconut oil and like Creole seasoning on them, or they could do like an Italian seasoning or garlic or whatever kind of seasoning they wanted to put on there. I love coconut oil with like Creole seasoning on, and just like nice and crispy. I cannot wait for like crispy meat again. A lot of times the meat here, it's kind of like, is that all the way done? I know so many people like to eat it that way. I want it like burnt. Okay, so then we have potatoes to go with that, with olive oil. So what we'll do is the drumsticks will go in a pan, and I'll do like a pan of like baked potatoes in there, sour cream on the side, and then canned vegetables. So Saturday would be leftovers and salad, and then Sunday would be meatloaf, mashed potatoes, a canned veg, and a pickled veggie. So that is what we have. I also need to make a large list for stuff that we need to get up in Maine. This will take us through, that grocery list will take us through, but I need to think bigger and stuff that needs to get used. We have like a bunch of chickens up there, so those need to come down here. And we have we have a bunch of lard in this freezer, and the chickens are up there. So we'll probably need to cook down the lard into, or the fat back into lard, so that we can make some room and then bring some chickens down. But I need to make that as scheduled plan as well as on the list for things to bring down. So that's about it. That's what we're doing for the week. I have another list that I'm trying to get together, and I'm trying to write the recipes for this list as well, and then hopefully my girls can do some video to go with the list that will be for hopefully next week. So I hope that will bless you as well next week. But that's what we're having for the week. That was our grocery haul that we had, and I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. I've noticed the eggs are kind of stabilizing at this point. How about in your area? Let me know.